This is the elevator here at Macy's at Bayfair Center, San Leandro, California. Wow, this thing is very outdated looking. I think 3 is locked. Yeah, let's go 2. Traction. The store really downsized when they renovated this place. I have reason to believe they actually removed that elevator that's over there on that side. Man, this thing is stuck in time. Let me show you what I mean down there. Two-speed center opening inside. So look at the placement of the call station. It's so far away. And then there's this right here. There's probably another elevator behind there. Let me go see what it looks like up there. Wow, it's just a wall. Let's go see what it looks like. Oh wow, look, it's just a door. I wonder if there was ever an elevator. It's just a storage closet, look at that. So I guess it was never an elevator. Alright, that'll be it.